Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. This video is featuring me and my mom.
Hi everyone.
Yeah.
So today
And
my
recently, wait, sorry. Recently, like today, she passed me in subscribers. So I don't know how to react.
anyway, so today we thought of because he was quite
Sad,
disheartened and he was
sad.
quite
Yeah.
on the downside of his mood. He was on low vibes. So I asked so his favorite player.
Ronaldo retired from international
So
football.
we'll be talking about that. How is he feeling?
Yeah.
So why are you so connected to Ronaldo? Why do you feel that connection with him?
Because he inspired me
In what ways?
in like every way because like he is dedicated to his sport. He's dedicated to his life actually. He inspires us all, and
Okay.
his discipline is a remarkable thing. His discipline is like
It's an
no words.
inspiration.
It's an inspiration. No
Okay, so
words.
you draw inspiration from Ronaldo.
Yeah.
Okay. So why,
And
what is
also,
it
okay.
that, all the young children, especially of your age, they
Oh,
are, in fact, he can be a, he can be termed as a generalized hero for all the
he is.
ages.
He is.
So what makes him so special apart from his discipline?
Apart from his discipline, you know. Wait, let me think about it. All these years, like I was just watching this match, Spain versus Portugal. It was a knockout match, and his ego.
He's egoistic.
Yes, because I mean, he's the only person in football who, I mean, speaks up to his word, who gave his word and delivers. I
Acha,
mean, like he
okay, okay.
delivers,
So that is okay, fine, fine.
like he promises.
What I feel good about him is that as a general human being, whatever a quality, whatever good qualities there should be in a man, he has it all.
Yeah,
Like he's a teetotaler, then he is a very, very, he's a huge philanthropic. He helps a lot of people
yeah.
and he
He
doesn't forget people who have helped him in
Yes,
the time
yes,
of his
and
distress. He reverts back to them and he helps them, and of course he has no tattoos and he has,
yeah,
and that way he
and
has obeyed his mother. He's obedient son
yes,
also. So okay.
and he has donated blood.
So
He has
okay.
donated,
Yeah.
yeah, he donates blood.
Okay. So how are you feeling today?
No, kind of sad. I'm actually very sad. Yeah, you will like open my WhatsApp chats. You will only see Ronaldo, Ronaldo,
I
Ronaldo,
could see
Ronaldo.
that all of you people, like your friends, were
Yeah,
continuously lamenting
yeah.
on
What's
the
the meaning of
thought
lament?
that he is just he's retired, so
Yeah.
you couldn't take it. Okay, so that was fun. So apart from Ronaldo, who is the second favorite?
Um, Johan Cruyff.
So don't you think that children, if you people are so much into this football loving, so
Yeah, I
why are
mean,
you sticking to this media games? Like you don't think that you
oh,
should go
video
out,
games. Yeah.
yeah, you should go out and play on field and follow your hero instead of grabbing a mouse and a keyboard or a phone and just stick to the screens.
Yeah.
Otherwise, if you'll follow your hero, don't you think you'll make up your, like, it will be good for your health also?
Yeah. I mean,
Acha, what? Tell me one thing. As
wait, please, sorry.
hmm,
Uh, Sports are way better than video games. We all know that, but for some reason, just stick into it.
why don't you think you should get out of this
Yeah, I
trap?
always think that I should just
Okay,
go
tell me
away
what
and
will you
play
do to
football.
come out of this trap? What are the like? What are the steps you'll take to come out of this trap of video game?
Like just I just want to be dedicated. I have to be dedicated, vice versa. And just, I should have a goal.
You should have a goal,
Yeah,
and you
like
should you I
just
wha-
quit.
according to me, one thing you can add is that you can make your screen time bound and stick to it no matter
Yeah,
what.
we should stick to the time. Like if we had a time set like 1 hour, 1 hour. So we should just stick, not like 1 hour, 1 minute, not even that. Just
Good,
1 hour,
good.
just 1 hour.
So, okay, I hope that the children of your age are watching and they'll be learning something from you that now. And yes, you have to keep your promise now, because you have
Yeah,
to follow. If you are doing this hero worship for this Ronaldo, you should follow his footstep in disciplining yourself. It goes like
yeah,
it takes a lot of effort to become
like him.
like him.
Nobody is like him, but
In fact,
yeah,
even if you don't want to become, or if you cannot become like him, you can at least be the best in your field,
you know,
right?
I
Okay.
don't want to become anybody. I want to be myself.
But be the best version of yourself.
Yes, yes.
So, okay, so that was
So,
fun talking with you,
yeah,
and let's.
just say
I
goodbye.
hope that you do well in life, and all your friends and your viewers and your subscribers, all of them should flourish in life. Well, so that's all.
Bye bye, everybody.
Goodbye.
Bye.